We're going to make a little sofrito. We're going to use these vegetables right here. Green pepper, red pepper, onions, a little tomato, cilantro, garlic, scallion, we're going to put some olive oil in it. Then we're going to blend it. I use this blended vegetables in a lot of recipes because my daughter really don't like the peppers and onions, so I just put them all in there. Now everything is blended up, so I'm going to add my little peppers for a little spice. 2, 3. Now this gives everything a lot of flavor. Just blend that up. Now we're going to store it inside this mason jar right here. You want to just seal it tight and put it in your refrigerator. And it lasts up to 7 days.